All skin can feel reactive at times, but if it's something you often experience, then you could have sensitive skin. Building the best sensitive skin routine is one of the most important things you can do to make easily irritated skin feel soothed and cared for, helping you feel more confident and in control. Every product we create is formulated with sensitive skin in mind. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. What is sensitive skin? Many people have different definitions of sensitive skin, making it hard to pinpoint if you have it or not. While most of us experience it from time to time, how often you notice feelings of irritation will usually be the biggest clue. Sensitive skin is often considered its own skin type. However, you can have a combination of this and another type. For example, you could have an oily skin or dry skin type, but still experience skin sensitivity. Sensitive skin is more common than you might think, so if you have it, then you're not alone. Everyone has unique skin reaction triggers, of course, but some of the common culprits can include chemicals and products we use in everyday life, like fragrances, detergents, and makeup. Even your jewelry can irritate your skin. 1. Choose your cleanser carefully. As pollution and other environmental factors can cause irritation, finding the right cleanser as part of your face care for sensitive skin is key. Not to mention that harsh cleansers can strip moisture, which can dry out skin and cause it to have even more of an intense reaction. All of our cleansers are suitable for sensitive skin, but here are 3 of our favorites and what they're amazing for. 2. Soothe with a toner. For extra calming benefits, choose ingredients with anti-inflammatory properties like provitamin B5 to help to soothe your sensitive skin. Our best-selling soothing facial toner calms and rebalances your skin's pH level, as well as prepping it for the next steps in your skincare routine. 3. Nourish with a moisturizer. Nothing calms sensitive skin quite like a good moisturizer. Again here, it's a good idea to choose something that doesn't contain perfume or color, like all of our range. Remember, all skin types can be affected by UV rays. Overexposure can cause things like burning and premature aging. Sun protection is especially important if you have sensitive skin because it's so easily inflamed and irritated. Sensitive skin can also sometimes have a reaction to sunscreen, making it even more important to find the right formula for you. Luckily, protecting skin that's sensitive is possible thanks to our moisturizers with SPF that have been developed and tested to make sure they work for everyone. 4th, SPF. We can't stress enough how important this step is, because SPF is the single most important treatment for your skin with major benefits. And it's not just for the summer months. The sooner you start using sunscreen, the better your skin will look and feel in the long run. The UVA and UVB rays of the sun result in aging, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and of course skin cancer, which is why wearing sunscreen must be an indispensable part of skincare. 5. Eat fresh fruits and veggies. Fruit and vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that help to protect skin from the cellular damage caused by free radicals, smoking, pollution, and sunlight. These pollutants can cause wrinkling and age spots. To help prevent skin damage, eat a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables and aim for at least 5 portions a day. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for new home style videos. See you in the next video.